Hi, in today's tech tip, I want to talk about the phenomenon of homegrown applications. On our sales calls, once in a while we come across organizations that have found themselves in deep trouble. 20 to 30 years ago, they may have hired programmers to develop software for their business. And we see this a lot in manufacturing and distribution companies where the business processes are so complex that they need to have software to run their ERP, their accounting, their inventory, their job costing and production. And these companies continue to use these applications up to now. We've come across companies that continue to use Microsoft Access 2.0 and Visual Fox Pro. These companies are under huge risk. Why? Because number one, many times the programmers who wrote those applications are no longer around. So the software can't be managed or modified. In many cases, these companies have lost track of the source code. And often with Windows evolving and getting more secure, these programs developed on older technologies are no longer supported or stable on current Windows operating systems. So there's a couple of options that we at Indusflow help our customers with. Number one is in some cases, we might take on software development projects and help redevelop that software using current technologies. That's one approach. The other approach is to go with something off the shelf. So in Indusflow, for example, we are a Sage business partner. We specialize in the Sage 300 ERP system. So for a manufacturer or a distribution warehouse organization that wants to go to something more off the shelf, they can think about Sage 300. There's also Microsoft, there's also SAP. The great thing with these off-the-shelf products is that there's a lot of support in the industry. There's a lot of consultants and a lot of business partners that can help your organization manage the software for many years to come. So those are two basic options for you. If you need help with migrating away from your homegrown applications, think about reaching out to us. We can definitely give you some advice, but definitely take control of those homegrown applications to reduce the risk to your business. Thanks.